As you can see, the fork is a mess. So let's see what we can do here. Generally speaking, the parts came out quite nicely. They're not perfect, but I guess they don't have to be. At least the parts that have to be are pretty much. So the exhaust valve, this should be going in and out smoothly. Yeah, there's some discoloration here going on. I don't really bother with it. Maybe I'll try to polish it off later on. Otherwise, we'll just stick to that. We've got the gearbox in pristine shape. And now we can also see the wear on the gears a bit better. There is some slight wear going on, but it's nothing to worry about from what I think. Usually you'll find out when you assemble the gearbox, run the bike, and then it's kind of humming or something like that in some gears. Then you know the gears are maybe having some signs of wear on them. Also the starter gear now runs really smoothly again. So we're just going to blow dry that, and then of course later on during assembly we're going to grease it and make sure it stays lubricated well enough. Guess it's not perfect, but it's fairly okay. You can see the paint already starting to kind of chip off here, so I'm not gonna go further polishing it. I don't want to risk getting the paint stripped in that case.
Yeah, that's so far enough, I guess. We can polish it a bit later, but I guess I'm gonna give that a go, even though there's a stain here, which I don't particularly like. But I guess that's ingrained into the color here, because that was just there for too long. Hey, now let's do something which is fun. Actually, let's put some new covers on this seat here. It's really easy. The only thing you'll need is a screwdriver, a flathead to get these pins out, or these stitches out. You can use a pin and the plier, that usually works best. And then we're gonna use just a normal stapler, and then we can get the new staples in. So yeah, enough said and done. Let's go to the action. Now guys, this is gonna be the fun part, the rear one. I'm gonna just professionally show you a photo here. So you can see this is another Aprilia in the background, and then here is mine. And what the guy here did is he cut off part of the seat just to make sure that it doesn't have this overlap here in the front, and looks a bit nicer. So I guess we're gonna do the same. So we just need to figure out where we're gonna cut it off, and then, yeah, you know the deal. Let's go. So that's it. Now let's check the fit on it. Oh wow. That's pretty much perfect. I'm pretty happy with that. It's not perfect in every shape or form, but I guess, yeah, we have 2 new seats going on here. Guys, I'm so done, but we got so much stuff done. The engine is clean. We got the frame and the rear swing arm cleaned up. We got the seats matched with a new cover. And yeah, basically now we need to get some parts. Then we can also do the brakes, the rest of the fairing that's laying around, the forks. And once we get the parts for the engine, we can also rebuild that. And just to let you know, there is a surprise regarding how we're going to rebuild the engine. I'm not going to drop the bomb yet, of course. I'm going to create a cliffhanger for that. But once it's here, you will know we're going to do something awesome to the engine. So if you want to stay tuned, then subscribe to the channel and let me know if you like the episode of cleaning all that stuff. I know it's a huge struggle. I also don't like doing it, but sometimes you just have to go through the shits of it. And I just try to make the best out of it for you guys, so you can also enjoy this whole process, which includes the uncomfortable parts as well. So right now it's like 4 p.m. in the afternoon. I spent time since like, yeah, maybe 10 o'clock. I spent time here in the garage cleaning all these parts, preparing them for the assembly. And it's quite sunny outside, so I'm just going for a ride and yeah, test drive a new bike just to have some fun. So I wish you a great day and we'll see us in the next episode.
Mm.